If you or your employees were given the opportunity to work smarter, have a greater impact, and gain more fulfillment, you would, wouldn't you? If you could turn disruption into an advantage and reimagine not only the work, but the way it's done, you would, right? That's what we call becoming an exponential professional. In a landscape filled with new technologies, artificial intelligence, an explosion of data, and the contingent workforce, you cannot stand by and let these massive changes happen without taking action. You may be modernizing, but are you really taking advantage of today's disruptive forces and focusing on producing more valuable outcomes for your organization and your customers? These challenges are being felt by individuals and organizations across industries and professions. The solution is reimagining the work, the workforce, and the workplace. The solution is transforming to enable you and your team to become exponential professionals. This reimagination is an advancement in working with machines to automate and augment productive outcomes, quicker, more efficiently, and with fewer errors, while creating new capabilities for the organization. It's achieving greater flexibility and balance through new technologies and workforce options that will allow you to be better connected and truly collaborative, whether on-site or virtual. But most of all, it is a commitment to engaging in career-long learning, combining technical skills and business acumen, and fostering leadership, communication, and creativity. Sounds hopeful, but hard. That's where Deloitte comes in. We're pioneering the new frontier by analyzing work, augmenting tasks with technology, and considering workforce options, using each of these to rebuild the processes to focus on measurable outcomes. And we're seeing profound results and benefits. We're ready to help you make that same transformation. Are you looking to lead your company into the future? Are you prepared to unlock the full potential of the exponential professional?